Hello friends, welcome to 50 MCQ. If you are new to my channel, so don't forget to like and comment on the video. Also, if you are preparing for any medical service or if you have participated in any medical competition, so subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for get to the notification of new video because our channel can be very helpful for you. And one more thing, you can find to another part of this video in description box. Hey, this is Rohit Srivastava and today we are discuss about 25 MCQ of Model Set 1 Part 2. So no time pass, no bakwas, let's start. And our first question number 25. Diarrhea kills because of ... what? Diarrhea kills because of ... what? And our option A, malnutrition, B, infection, C, dehydration and D, all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ डिहाइड्रेसन. Similarly, next question number 26. The largest muscle in the human body is, फेरि एक पटक, the largest muscle in the human body is, and our option A, stapedius, B, sartorius, C, gluteus maximus and D, trapezius. And the correct answer is gluteus maximus. Similarly, next question number 27. Study of the cell is, फेरि एक पटक, study of the cell is, and our option A, anatomy, B, physiology, C, cytology and D, pharmacology. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ cytology. Similarly, next question number 28. Unit of epidemiological study is, फेरि एक पटक, unit of epidemiological study is, and our option A, case, B, carrier, C, population at risk and D, verification of diagnosis. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ population at risk. Similarly, next question number 29. Murphy's trade does not include, फेरि एक पटक, Murphy's trade does not include, and our option A, pain, B, vomiting, C, diarrhea and D, fever. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ diarrhea. Similarly, next question number 30. Fever is, फेरि एक पटक, fever is, and our option A, sign, B, symptoms, C, disease and D, all of the above. यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ symptom. Similarly, next question number 31. Hydrophobia is associated with, फेरि एक पटक, hydrophobia is associated with, and our option A, dog bite, B, bee bite, C, snake bite and D, rat bite. र यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ dog bite. Similarly, next question number 32. COVID-19 में transmit through, फेरि एक पटक, COVID-19 में transmit through, and our option A, droplet, B, airborne, C, fomite and D, all. र यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ droplet. Similarly, next question number 33. 3D disease कुन रोगलाई भनिन्छ? फेरि एक पटक, 3D disease कुन रोगलाई भनिन्छ? And our option A, measles, B, diabetes, C, pellagra and D, pertussis. यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ pellagra. Similarly, next question number 34. Most common cause of hypertension is, फेरि एक पटक, most common cause of hypertension is, and our option A, essential, B, renal failure, C, heart disease and D, brain failure. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ essential. Similarly, next question number 35. Largest bone of the human body is, फेरि एक पटक, largest bone of the human body is, and our option A, pelvic bone, B, femur, C, fibula, D, humerus. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ femur. Similarly, next question number 36. Weight of brain, फेरि एक पटक, weight of brain, and our option A, 15 mcg, B, 15 gram, C, 1.5 mg and D, 1.5 kg. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ 1.5 kg. Similarly, next question number 37. Total bones in ear, फेरि एक पटक, total bones in ear, and our option A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 6. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ 3. Similarly, next question number 38. leadership is the function of, फेरि एकपटक, leadership is the function of, and our option A leaders, B situation, C followers, D all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ all of the above. Similarly, next question number 39. National Health Policy second term update in, फेरि एकपटक, National Health Policy second time updated in, and our option A 2070, B 2071, C 2072, and D 2073. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ 2071. Similarly, next question number 40. Insecticides spraying program includes control of all disease except, फेरि एकपटक, insecticides spraying program includes control of all disease except, and our option A hepatitis, B कालाजार, C malaria, D encephalitis. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ हेपाटाइटिस. Similarly, next question number 41. Which is the target of CPR up to the end of 10th 5-year plan? फेरि एकपटक, which is the target of CPR up to the end of 10th 5-year plan? And our option A 43%, B 47%, C 49%, and D 49%. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ 47%. Similarly, next question number 42. Increase in the number of cells is called, फेरि एकपटक, increase in the number of cells is called, and our option A hyperplasia, B hypertrophy, C metaplasia, and D all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ hyperplasia. Similarly, next question number 43. The most common oral disease in Nepal, फेरि एकपटक, the most common oral disease in Nepal, and our option A dental caries, B periodontitis, C pericoronitis, and D cleft lips and other anomalies. र यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ dental caries. Similarly, next question number 44. Incubation period of pertussis is, फेरि एकपटक, incubation period of pertussis is, and our option A 5 to 10 days, B 9 to 14 days, C 3 to 8 days, and D 7 to 14 days. यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ 7 to 14 days. And next question number 45. Which are the female reproductive organs? फेरि एकपटक, which are the female reproductive organs? And our option A uterus and vagina, B ovaries and vagina, C uterus, ovaries and vagina. यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ uterus, ovaries and vagina. Similarly, next question number 46. Length of spermatozoa is, फेरि एकपटक, length of spermatozoa is, and our option A 50 m, B 100 m, C 120 m, and D 300 m. र यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ 50 m. Similarly, next question number 47. CBIMNCI program was started in 2071-72 in, फेरि एकपटक, CBIMNCI program was started in 2071-72 in, our option A 5 districts, B 15 districts, C 30 districts, and D 45 districts. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ 30 districts. Similarly, next question number 48. Odynophagia means, फेरि एकपटक, odynophagia means, and our option A painful swallowing, B difficult swallowing, C both A and B, and D difficult in chewing. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ painful swallowing. Similarly, next question number 49. Edema occurs in, फेरि एकपटक, edema occurs in, and our option A anemia, B marasmus, C kwashiorkor, and D xerophthalmia. र यसको सही उत्तर रहेको छ kwashiorkor. Similarly, next question number 50 and last question. Drug of choice for cholera for pregnant women is, फेरि एकपटक, drug of choice for cholera for pregnant women is, and our option A neomycin, B doxycycline, C metronidazole, and D furazolidone. र यसको सही उत्तर आएको छ furazolidone. Thanks for watching the video. Also, if you want to watch a video on any topic, you can write in the comment box. Have a good time.